Hi, I'm Elle. I am a freelance content creator and a lifestyle blogger. I'm at Only Aesthetics to do the OnlyRosacea treatment. I have been having acne for the longest time, so because of that, there's a lot of red scarring on my face. So this treatment is supposed to help with the redness a lot, so I'm excited to try it. The esthetician did a really great job and it was very relaxing, and she was very gentle with my skin. Wow, I'm really impressed. I actually did not expect such a difference in one treatment itself. My skin feels great and the redness has reduced a lot. I'm sure that after consecutive treatments that my skin will be much better and the redness will be gone. I highly recommend this treatment to anyone with rosacea. You'll see a great difference. For more videos, click here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.